Alright, how's it going everyone? Today we're going to be doing some lamb ribs. Super quick, very tasty, and we're going to be doing them on the Acorn Junior. So pretty simple as well, just a few ingredients. Butcher Zach's lamb and game rub. So we're going to coat them in that. We're going to smoke them over some cherry for about 40 minutes. Then we're going to wrap them up for about an hour, and then we'll bring them out, and then we'll finish them off with a glaze of this blend smoked honey. Which is absolutely awesome stuff. So we've got a nice piece of cherry from Natural Smoke, so we'll go ahead and give them a coating with this Butcher Zach's rub. So we'll just give it a nice coat on both sides. So for those who don't know, the Butcher Zach's boys are the #1 team in Australia when it comes to ABA barbecue for 2019. I'm sure they're going to kill it in 2020 as well. If you're worried about the rub not sticking, you can also probably just rub your lamb ribs with a bit of mustard or something. That'll help the rub stick, but we'll just give it a nice coverage. And then we'll just let the meat sweat for about 10-20 minutes, and that moisture from the meat sweating will just help the rub stick to the meat. So let that sweat for a while, might cover it up so the flies don't get to it, and we'll fire up some coals and get the Acorn Junior going. Alright, so our coals are ready, so we will give it a shake so any loose little coals drop into the bottom, and we'll dump them in. Put that down there. We'll chuck our cherry straight on top. Then our heat deflector. And we can lay our lamb ribs on the grill. Use that as our drip tray, and chuck our grill on top. I don't get too fussed about preheating the Acorn Junior. It's such a small unit, it comes up to temperature pretty quick. So we're going to aim to smoke these for around 40 minutes at 275, I reckon. So set our top vent like so, just about on 2, then our bottom vent like so. So we'll give it about 40 minutes and we will come back. Alright, the little Acorn's been holding nicely at about 275. Time for a peek. Getting some nice colour, some nice drawback on them bones. So we'll give it about 10-15 more minutes, and we'll wrap them up and put them back in to tenderise a bit more. Alright, about 10-15 minutes more, so time to give them a wrap. Alright, back in for about an hour. Wrapping them's going to just help break them down even more, get nice and tender. So we'll pull them out after about an hour, and then we will get some of that smoked honey sort of melted in the little skillet there, and then we will baste them to finish them off and get into them. Alright, it's been about 45-50 minutes. It's time to unwrap them. Alright, so we've just unwrapped them, put a bit of that smoked honey in our skillet, just to melt down a little bit. Then we'll give them a glaze and they'll be just about ready. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. This honey's nice and melted now. So what we'll do is we'll just give these lamb ribs a bit of a glaze. Try and be pretty gentle so we don't rip any of that bark off. Gotta probably dab it more than actual brushing it. Alright, so we'll close the lid, let that set for a few minutes and then we'll get them out. Alright, so we've just pulled one rack out, ready for a taste test. So we'll slice the rib off and see how it goes. You can see nice little smoke ring there. Cut really easily so they're nice and tender. Yeah, that's incredible. I've had the butcher's axe rub a few times on a smoked lamb shoulder, lamb leg, a few other bits and pieces, and it's bloody good. And then add the smoked honey onto it for a nice bit of sweetness. Really good combination. That's really bloody good. Well, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me eat the whole thing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.